Michael Truel, the CEO of Cursor AI, recently published what he calls the third era of AI software development. And the signal he shared is pretty interesting if you think about it for a minute. A year ago, in March 2025, most developers using Cursor were still heavily relying on tab autocomplete. You write code, press tab, accept suggestions. That was the dominant workflow. But today, in March 2026, Cursor users don't even touch the tab key anymore. Instead, they're working through agents, and not just occasionally. Agent usage inside of Cursor grew more than 15 times, I think he says, in the last year. And here's the interesting part that really caught my attention. Inside Cursor's own engineering team, about 35% of their pull requests are already created by agents, not suggestions, actual PRs opened by agents running independently. And according to Michael Truel, the agents are writing almost 100% of the code in those PRs. So what are the engineers doing? Well, their time shifts. They spend it breaking down the problem, defining the tasks, reviewing artifacts, and giving feedback to the agents. And another interesting behavior emerges. Instead of guiding one agent step by step, developers are starting spinning up multiple agents at the same time. One agent exploring a refactor, and writing tests for another part of the code, another trying an alternative implementation. The interesting part is that Cursor is evolving around this model. It's no longer just an AI IDE where you help you write code faster. It's becoming a control surface for coordinating fleets of agents working in parallel, which raises a question that feels very relevant for agentic engineering. If agents are writing most of the code, then the scarce skill might not be coding anymore. It might be the ability to frame the problem, to structure the tasks, and review outcomes effectively. In other words, are we still thinking like programmers, or are we learning to run software factories? Do you know what I mean?